Hello, my name is Shonda Banks. I'm here in Las Vegas, Nevada. The reason for taking this course mainly is just because I am interested in human sexuality. I did wanted to get the dual master's degree in human sexuality, but later found out that you had to be there on campus to do so. So I was just informed maybe I can just take some sexuality classes just to, be a little bit informed on that. I also took the class as far as wanted to know how it would relate to social work, how I can better serve my clients that's having maybe sexual dysfunctions or issues, and how to help them navigate with those issues um, in the most respectful way as it relates with social work. One of the areas human sexuality that interests me um, will probably be what turns a person on to another, what attracts us to each other, and why we might be attracted to one person versus another, or maybe both sexes or not. I also is most interested in sexual dysfunctions and things of that nature. The reason why I would say just this is something that interests me, and I feel that a lot of people in our society feels like those things are taboo and they can't talk. And I just want to know a little bit more about it, just to help navigate them through those types of issues. Um, what I would want for safety in this course would be just to be respectful of other people's opinions, their values, and things that they might talk about. Um, as far as sexual abuse, as far as sexual identity, sexual dysfunctions, and anything of that nature, just to be respectful and also be open minded with in terms of other people's views. I hope everyone enjoyed this course. So far, I'm enjoying it, and everyone just be safe. Bye bye.